Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Fundamental Self-Round-2 Assignment 9. So today I'm going to discuss about the following few questions. But a raycast returns the first object it hits, so how to return multiple objects. Second is explain what needs to be done such that player movement works at same speed regardless of device FPS. And third is what is fixed time to fix filter time. So what is so a Reka's return first object it hits. So how will return multiple objects? So to return the multiple objects hit by the Rekas in Unity, you can use physics.raycast all function instead of raycast. So raycast all returns array of raycast hit objects representing all the hits along the ray. Each Raycast object contains information about the collider, point of contact, and other relevant data. So coming to the second question, to ensure the consistent player movement speed regardless of device FPS, you can use time dot delta time in your movement calculations. So time dot delta time represents the time in seconds it took to complete the last frame. By multiplying the movement speed with time dot delta time, you can achieve the frame rate independent movement. So let's consider a scenario where you have PC running at 30 FPS and another PC running at 60 FPS. So on 60 FPS, character movement will appear faster because the movement is multiplied by the frame rate. However, to ensure the consistent speed regardless of the frame rate, you need to multiply the movement by time dot delta time. So this scales the movement based on the reciprocal of the frame rate, effectively cancelling out the frame rate difference. So as a result, the character will move at consistent speed regardless of the frame rate. So coming to the third question, what is time dot fixed filter time? So fixed delta time is the fixed interval of time used for physics calculations in Unity. It represents a time step between each physics update. So unlike the time to delta time which adapts based on the frame rate, time to fixed delta time remains constant and ensures consistent physics simulation across different devices and frame rates. So it is typically used in fixed update method to update physics related behavior such as rigid body, movements, collisions and interactions. That's all. Thank you.